Look at this great stuff from York. Isn't this amazing? Now you can't see the beauty in this wallpaper materially. You can see it visually, but I'm here handling this beautiful wallpaper. And let me tell you what a pleasure it is to install good stuff. Now, we just installed the first sheet of paper. I must tell you, if you want quality wallpaper, and I don't work for York, all right? This is one of them. York, Schumacher. This stuff is so durable, and the colors are so intact. I can wipe this down, put it into place, stretch it. It doesn't rip, the color doesn't come off. It's such a pleasure to handle. I just wanted to share it with you because I love it. This is our first sheet. So what did we do? Well, we took a measurement of the wall. We divided the wall by 2. Let me be clear. I took a measurement of the wall in feet and inches, and I divided that number by 2 and came up with the center of my wall. And so I put a mark on the middle of the wall, and then I took my wallpaper, measured that, and found the middle of my wallpaper. And then I put a mark on the middle of my wallpaper and matched it with the mark in the middle of my wall. Why? Because when you're doing an accent wall, you want what's called symmetry. It's a fancy name for, you want it to be even. If you have 4 inches left on the last sheet on the right, you want 4 inches on the first sheet on the left. And so that's symmetry. Think about it, if your eye was here and your other one was here, you wouldn't have symmetry. So by measuring and planning it from the middle, you don't necessarily have to hang from the middle. That's a choice up to the hanger. I don't like hanging from the middle. It's another video, I'll get into it in a different issue, at a different time. But I wanted to tell you, that's how you start your accent wall. You plan from the middle. You don't necessarily have to hang from the middle. I'll just tell you quickly, the challenge of hanging from the middle. We wallpaper hangers, we have our preferences. And so some of us like to hang from left to right, others like to hang from right to the left. I don't know why, but that's what we do. So here, if you're used to hanging from left to the right, which is what I do, you now have to acclimate your skills to go from the right to the left, which is fine. I did it because I didn't want to deal with the glue on the wall. I wanted to see, also on the end of the wall we have a doorway, which gives us a pretty good, safeguard against getting glue on the wall because it's only a little sheet. But anyway, there it is. And all I did to get this down, my helper wiped it down, and it's really secure. I glued the wall first, which is what York tells us we can do. We can either do that or paste the paper directly. And there you have it, all right? And it's really good stuff. And it's gonna stay up forever. Now, let me just show you something. Look at the angle at which I'm holding my smoother, all right? This is an important tip for you do-it-yourselfers. Now look, I'm not doing this back and forth fast, okay? Look at how easy I'm going. You don't have to go fast. Why am I doing that? Let's say you had a high spot underneath your wallpaper that you didn't see because you were zealous to get the beautiful wallpaper up. And there was a little bump because you didn't sand it properly. Guess what? You're gonna rip your wallpaper. So there you have it, folks. Isn't it gorgeous? Don't you love this? Wait till you see the rest of it. This is Spencer Colgan. You can visit us at www.spencercolgan.com. See all of our 300 plus videos on wallpaper prep, installation, removal, painting, and we're now doing custom woodwork and custom furniture, such as a bookshelf. Some people buy these 100-year-old houses and they need us to make bookshelves. Hey, I need a 36-inch bookshelf. I can't find it anywhere in the furniture stores. You can call us. We do wallpaper installation, chair rails, woodwork, you name it, we do it. And if we can't, we will make a proper referral to you if you're in the Tampa Bay area. And I'm talking anywhere from the north part of the Tampa Bay all the way down to Sarasota. And if you're out of the state, no problem, call us. We will make a referral professionally. Thanks for watching our channel. Be part of our community by checking on like and subscribing to our channel. And you will get every subsequent video that we make. And we're putting out at least 2 a day. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the end of this installation, or I might even decide to make a video during it if I come up with something that might be of interest to you. Thanks for watching.